Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Mr. R. Today we are gonna be using a new, we're gonna be doing something very new, and we're gonna be trying out Roblox Studio. Now, I actually like coding, and this is the first time I'm recording Roblox Studio on this channel. And if you want more Roblox Studio, make sure you like and subscribe, share this to all your friends, and let's get right straight into the video. So first of all, what I want to do is I want to look at the toolbox, and for all my games I usually just search up Gorilla, okay, and I just find this Gorilla. I usually find a Gorilla for starter character like this one. Wait, no, I usually, here. And here, there's a gorilla. And what I do is I go to avatar, I go to, wait, no, not avatar, sorry. I go here, I go to the properties, I go press name, and I go name him starter character. And I move the gorilla to starter player. And then after that, now that it's, oh wait, I put the spawn location. I put the starter character. And now if I press play, I am the gorilla now. Now let's add some animations. So let's just find some animations. So we've got so we got a walk animation. Now we're gonna go to avatar, press animation editor. We press on our rig, and we press these buttons if you have them, and then we'll press this. Now, I actually like blocky games. Like, if you don't know what blocky games are, they're like these games right there. And so what we have to do those types of animations, we select all, we right click, we press easy style, and we press constant. And now when we play, as you can see, it's more blocky. Now I will publish, now before I publish this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the game. I'm gonna go to workspace. I go to my character. I go and copy the animate, and I'll paste this in starter character scripts. And now when we go to our animation, then I'll publish this to Roblox. Name this editing. So I'm just gonna call this R6 walk. And then after that, I'll just copy the ID. Let's close everything. And then after that, I'll go to the animate, and you can see there's the walk, and then there's the ID. We enter the ID in there. We swap it out. Now we close that, and we open the animate, and there's a walk. There's a walk string value, and then we press here. There's the animation, and we paste our ID here. And now, as you can see, now we have the now as you can see, we have the walk animation now. Now for the run animation. Now actually, let's open the toolbox and search up run animation R6. Yeah, sorry for using the toolbox, guys. I'm not really good at animating, so I take stuff out of the toolbox. I'll learn animating and I'll try and not use the toolbox next time. Now, let's see. This looks promising. Now let's open this. Check out the animation. Alright, this looks pretty good. Now let's select all, easing style constant. Now it's blocky. And now we save this. And actually, I don't really know. I've never actually learned how to make like a running code, so I'll just search it up on Google. Alright guys, I'm back and we have the code. So what we do is we make a new local script in starter character scripts, and I paste the code, and afterwards I go and publish my animation. I copy the ID. Now before I put it in the local script, so I'll go to here. I'll change the run animation. Here, look, run. I'll go change the animation ID. I'll also go and change this, the run, everything, okay? Make sure, guys, make sure, guys, that like you press tab and then it'll go for it. All the IDs have to be together. So now once we have done that, we'll go to local script, our local script, and I'll paste my animation here in your ID. Shout out to let's see, wait. Shout out to LRDev for giving the code. And now, as you can see, we can walk, and when we're running, our animation works. And now, if you've seen in battleground games, like a popular game called The Strongest Battlegrounds, when you press Q, you dash while hitting. So let's try and dash that makes it hit. So I will search it up again. Actually, turns out we don't really need to search up, because actually, let's name this to Gorilla Battlegrounds, okay? Okay, now once we've saved this, okay, it's loading, and we're gonna open my Mega Gorilla Obby. And actually, if you don't know, in my Mega Gorilla Obby, there is a dash system where we can just copy and paste the code. It took me 2 days to make the code, and I don't want to do that again. So in the dash system, we just copy paste everything here. Now we go here, and in starter player script, Alright guys, we're back, and what the problem was that it wasn't this, but we just needed to paste our script. Okay, and then we gotta change again, we gotta change the key, which is right over, wait, let me find it. Here guys, change this into Q. Now let's play the game and let's test it out. So we can sprint and let's try and dash. Yay, as you can see it's working now. Now actually let's change this a little bit. Let's not do this, and let's change this to control. There you go. So now as you can see, we can sprint and we can also dash. Now, the number one thing in a battleground game is the PvP system. Now, what we need to do in the PvP system is first, what type of PvP? Is it gun PvP? Is it like fighting PvP? Or is it sword PvP? What I want is, I want to make something like gun PvP. So let's try, and I'm just gonna search gun in here. And oh look, here, wait, no. Wait, what about we use a laser gun? We put this in the starter player scripts. Now you can see there's a laser gun. Pew. And now I gotta fix this somehow, but like, actually I think that's kind of cool. Next thing. Next thing we gotta do is, let's try and make a battleground. Now, first thing is we can delete these two. And I want to make something classic, so if I just delete everything here in the toolbox there, and you can see there's old Roblox studded stud part block classic. And here, you see, I put it on, wait, hold up. I'll just do this, and I'll move this on a stud, like there, right there. Now, I will move this to how big I want my arena to be, which I think this should be big enough. Now we gotta check if the studs are, there you go. Now you see it's like that. And let's just move this forward a little. I think this should be big enough. Let's make a map. Boom. Now we have this, we could put our spawn location here. And let's duplicate this and make more. Now let's duplicate this and we'll move this all the way over here. And so what I'm thinking is, some people will spawn here, some people spawn here, some people spawn here, and they could fight. And now let's duplicate this and we'll just turn this 90 degrees. I'll move this middle part, and then I'll move this over here. So now it'll be like that. And I'll also move this one over here. And now we've made this. Let's smallen this a little. Let's make this a little smaller. I'll also use this, and this. Actually, yeah, let's make this a little smaller. Let's move this all over here. And now, as you can see, this is a very good map. And now let's just make this color red. Let's make this color yellow. Let's make this color or green. And let's make this color blue. So now we got this. And then we can make this one in the middle purple. So now we have a map. And let's add some stuff to this map. Like, I'll just search in the toolbox a little castle. Let's make classic castle, because this is the type of game we're making is a classic game. Here, let's put that in the middle. Okay. And now we will select all of these, including this, and we will group them. And we'll call this group map. And next thing we gotta do is we gotta delete the base plate. Now let's duplicate these everywhere. So I'll duplicate that there. I'll duplicate it here. I'll move this one over here, and I'll move this here. Duplicate. Now, okay, now I'll move this one to over here, and then this one to over here. So now our map looks like this. Boom. Now our map looks like this. Now we're done. As we can, if we play the game, you see, I will spawn randomly if I leave, and I'll spawn there. Last time I spawned there, and now I spawn here. Now I go here. Now I can go in this castle, I can climb up, and oops. Now, if we're in this castle, we have an advantage. So we could go here and we could just pew, pew, pew. And if we reset the character, then we'd get our gun back. Now, if you guys like this video and you want more Roblox Studio, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Mika out.